Good morning, sir.
Right. Okay. So very happy Sunday to all of you. And also a very bright and prosperous New Year to each and everyone, those who joined the class today. Okay. So wish you the once again a bright future in this year. God bless you all. Have a wonderful year. You may get a bright future from this year onwards. So please take some, I hope you all taken some resolutions. Follow that. So anyway, we'll straight away, we'll enter into the syllabus. Once again, I welcome back to Max class. Before we are going to start the class, make some noise. And then only I know that you people are attending the class. I think so, right? Please. Okay, come on, quick. Say hello or good morning. Anything, whatever you like, you can
Good
make
morning,
some
sir.
noise.
Good morning,
Good morning.
sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Okay, right. So listen carefully. So today we are going to discuss one more topic in differential equations. So in the last two classes, we have discussed the first one is called variable separable method. The second one we have discussed the homogeneous differential equations. Now, the very important one, okay. So those who are studying, those who are preparing for 12th standard syllabus, you have to follow all the three things, three methods. But for preparing for entrance examination, you can follow any method. Which one is comfortable to you? Which one is comfortable to you or for you? Please follow that method. Okay. To solve the first order differential equation, we have three methods. The two methods already we have discussed. The final method, which one is very, very important and also very simple and easy. பாருங்க, last two methods காட்டிலும் this method is very, very simple. என்னன்னு பாத்தீங்கன்னா linear differential equation. We can call it as a LDE. Okay. So linear differential equations. தயவு செய்து எல்லாம் கொஞ்சம் நல்லா கவனமா கவனிங்க. So since we have very limited period of time, we have to rush up very quickly. சரிங்களா? எப்போனா எக்ஸாம் வரலாம். எக்ஸாம் எப்படி கண்டக்ட் பண்றாங்கன்னு தெரியல. ஆல்ரெடி பாத்தீங்கன்னா இப்ப கொரோனாவுடைய இது வந்து தாக்கம் கொஞ்சம் அதிகமாயிட்டே இருக்கு. So we have to be very careful. So அதனால வந்து இது எப்படியா இருந்தாலும் எக்ஸாம் நடக்கும், அது வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு. அதே மாதிரி என்ட்ரன்ஸ் எக்ஸாமினேஷன்ஸ்க்கான டேட்ஸும் அனௌன்ஸ் பண்றதுக்கு மிக இதுல வந்து அனௌன்ஸ் பண்றாங்க குயிக். நல்லா கவனிங்க. வாட் இஸ் a linear differential equation? This linear equation is of the form dy by dx plus py is equals to q. So this is the form. So this is the standard form of a linear differential equation. நல்லா கவனிச்சிங்க. இந்த linear differential equation இந்த மாதிரி இருக்கும். உடனே immediately we have to find out a thing called integrating factor. This is called e power integral p dx. Then we can write the general solution. Your general solution is y e power integral p dx is equals to integral q e power integral p dx dx plus c. Isn't it? So this is the formula. So far the methods we have used to solve first order differential equation, we don't have a particular formula there. But in this linear differential equation, we have the particular formula to find out the general solution. That's why this is very important among all the three. Okay, and also very simple. We can calculate, we can solve the problems very simple. Do you all listening this? Please come on now and then please interact with me. I already told you this is entirely different from your school coaching class or tuition coaching, nothing. This is a simply a training program. You have to open your mouth. நான் எதையுமே உங்க திட்ட மாட்டேன், உங்களை blame பண்ண மாட்டேன், nothing. Please make sure that. So அதனால please make your voice, make some noise and now and then please interact. Okay ma, follow va. Shall we do the problem now?
Yes, sir.
Girls, ஒவ்வொரு பேரா சொல்லி சொல்ல முடியாது. ஓகேவா? Shaktivel, Akshaya, Aditya, Vignesh, Varshini, Madhumita, Dania, Srinidhi, Srihari. Some of the names மட்டும் தான் நம்ம read பண்ணேன். Please listen. Dania இருக்கீங்களா?
Yes, sir.
Right, okay. Please listen. Srinidhi, please come on, man. In the formula, நீங்க என்ன பண்ணணும்? You have to by God. You have to memorize in your mind. Okay. So இதெல்லாம் மனப்பாடம் பண்ணக்கூடிய ஒரு ஒன்று. Please. Now we'll do some problems. Okay. So now I think you just keep it in your mind. These things. இது மூன்று விஷயங்கள் தெரிஞ்சா போதும். The standard form and the integrating factor and the general solution. Now we are going to solve the problems. புரியுதுங்களா? நிறைய ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் நான் டிஸ்கஸ் பிகாஸ் அது என்ட்ரன்ஸ் எக்ஸாம்னா இருந்தாலும் சரி, உன்னுடைய போர்டு எக்ஸாமினேஷனா இருந்தாலும் சரி, இந்த லீனியர் டிஃபரன்ஷியல் ஈக்குவேஷன் பிளேஸ் a very important role. So that we are going to discuss more problems in this section, linear differential equation. Take down the very simple problem. Solve cos x dy by dx plus y sin x is equals to 1. Listen here. Cos x dy by dx plus y sin x is equals to 1. Okay. So this is a linear differential equation. How can I say the very first factor, the first term should be dy by dx? Inga cos x irukku illaya? So we have to divide by cos x. What happens? Dy by dx plus sin x divided by cos x. How can I say sin x divided by cos x? I can write this as tan x into y. 1 divided by cos x. I can write this as secant x. See, this is of the form. This is of the form. I can say this is of the form dy by dx plus py is equals to q. Correct? So which means that this is a linear differential equation. Once we found out that this is called a linear differential equation, I have to say variable separable, but directly we can separate the variables and find out the solution. Homogeneous means the degree should be same in both numerator and denominator. When the degree are same in both numerator and denominator, then we can apply some rules. What are that? The first rule, the first working rule is step 1, put y is equals to vx and dy by dx is equals to v plus x dv by dx. And step 2, integrate. Sorry, variables are separated and integrating. Third step, substitute v is equals to y by x and get the solution. Now for linear differential equation, we have to find out the integrating factor. For that, we want to take out what is p. Y க்கு முன்னாடி என்ன இருக்கோ அதுதான் p, tan x. This is called q. Q is equals to secant x. Now I can find out the integrating factor. இப்ப போடுற ப்ராப்ளம் எல்லாம் உன்னுடைய டெக்ஸ்ட் புக்ல இருக்கு. So exercise problems, okay? Integrating factor e power integral p dx. Your p is equals to tan x into dx, which is equals to e power integral tan x. Can anyone tell me what is the integration of tan x? Srinidhi, சொல்லுவீங்களா? அர்ஷிதா, யார் இருக்கீங்க சொல்லுங்க டக்குன்னு, உங்க நேம் டக்குன்னு வரல. பாய்ஸ், எனி பாய்ஸ்? லோகேஷ், லோகேஷ் இருக்காரா? பாய்ஸ் யார் இருக்கா? பூவராகவன், லோகேஸ்வர் இருக்காரு. What is the integration of Vidumar? Srinidhi, பூவராகவன், what is the integration of tan x? கேக்குதா நான் பேசுறது? Can you hear my voice? My voice is audible to you, please.
Yes, sir.
What is the integration of tan x, ma? Anybody? Anyone, any boy or girl? Please, quick, come on, quick.
Log secant x.
Very good. Log of what? Secant x. Okay, is it right? It is called as log of secant x, which means that I can write this as log of secant x as log e cancel. Simply I can write this as secant x. Simply I can write this as secant x. Now the general solution. The general solution formula is what? y e power integral p dx is equals to integral q e power integral p dx dx plus c. Substitute all the values. Y e power integral p dx. I can write this as secant x. Integral q. What is q value? Secant x. E power integral p dx. Secant x into dx plus c. This becomes y secant x integration of secant squared x dx plus c. So what is the integration of secant? And I already said the derivatives, the differentiation and integrations are anti-derivatives. So we can say sin x differentiation is cos x, then cos x to the integration is become sin x. Yeah. So the reverse process, we can solve this as tan x. Very good, ma. Yaru Dania va?
Yes, sir.
Right. Tan x plus c. Good. So it will be makes more encouragement to me. Other professors say whether it's a right or wrong, you must open your mouth and say something. Okay. Now the answer is y secant x is equals to tan x plus c. Okay. Right. Please take down. This is the general solution. The next problem. Solve 1 minus x square into dy by dx. 1 minus x square into dy by dx minus xy is equals to 1. 1 minus x square into dy by dx minus xy is equals to 1. So always remember that if the equation is linear in y, okay, then we have y alone, not linear. Or equation உடைய power for linear y na y மட்டும் தான் இருக்கணும். If it is y square y cube னு போனா it is called not a linear in y. பட் இங்க பார்க்கும்போது y வந்து ஒன்னு தான் இருக்கு. x ஸ்கொயரா இருக்கணும், நோ ப்ராப்ளம். நீ y ல தான் பார்க்கற. அப்ப therefore இது linear equation in y. அப்ப என்ன பண்ணலாம்னா this is a linear differential equation in y. அப்ப I can write divide throughout by 1 minus x square. What happens? dy by dx minus x divided by 1 minus x square into y plus போடுங்க equals to 1 divided by 1 minus x squared. See, அப்ப பாத்தீங்கன்னா this is of the form. This is of a form. This is of the form linear differential equation in y. This is of the form dy by dx plus py equals to q. Now your p is equals to the whole. You have to take the negative also. The minus is also. We can write this as minus x divided by 1 minus x squared. And your q is equals to 1 by 1 minus x squared. Immediately I can find the integrating factor e power integral p dx is equals to e power integral. You can take minus x divided by 1 minus x square into dx. In the last class we have discussed more. Integration of, we have just studied the result, integration of f dash of x divided by f of x into dx. We can write this as log of f of x plus c. Okay, so log of f of x plus c. So therefore I can say your log of f of x plus c. We have in the denominator we have 1 minus x square. When we differentiate that, 1 becomes 0, minus x square becomes minus 2. Already is minus 2 is there, 2 is missing. Therefore, I am putting multiplying and divided by 2. So now you can write this as e power 1 by 2 into log of 1 minus x square. So bring this 1 by 2 to the power. We can write this as e of log square root of 1 minus x, because anything power 1 by 2 is nothing but root of 1 minus x square. இப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இந்த e log தயவு செய்து டவுட் இருந்தா கேளு. Because among all the three, the linear differential equation is one of the very important. Most of the times the questions arises from this section. Don't forget that. Are you all listening? Please come on. Are you all listening?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. So therefore we can say log cancel. Voice yarme vaya tharakka matreenga. 1 minus x squared. Appo we have found out the integrating factor. Now the general solution is, the formula says that y e power integral p dx is equals to integral q e power integral p dx dx plus c. Now y, what is e power integral p dx, which is equals to square root of 1 minus x square. Integration q, what is the value of q? Your q is equals to 1 divided by 1 minus x square into root of e power p dx, which is equals to square root of 1 minus x square into dx plus c. Okay, 1 minus x square into dx plus c. Okay, va? If we integrate pannanom, we have to integrate this, which is equals to what? அப்படின்றத நம்ம பார்க்க போறோம். ரைட்டுங்களா? Now கவனிங்க, இது வந்து ரூட் இருக்கு, இது வந்து வெறுமையா எப்படி root a by a அப்படின்னு சொல்லும் பொழுது I can write this as 1 by root a. Similarly, we can cancel off. This becomes root of 1 minus x square. We can write this as y into root of 1 minus x square is equals to integral dx divided by root of 1 minus x square plus c. யார் இந்த ஃபார்முலா சொல்ல போறா? பாய்ஸ்ல யாரா சொல்லுங்க. பூவராகவன், லோகேஸ்வர், any boys side? விக்னேஷ், யார் இருக்கிறீங்களோ சொல்லலாம்பா. What is the integration of this one? Direct formula. Integration of dx divided by root of 1 minus x square. Boys தான் சொல்லணும். I'll wait. Whether it's right or wrong, please say. Any boy, anyone from boys side? சொல்ல மாட்டீங்களா? பாய்ஸ் இருக்கீங்களா? சக்திவேல், லோகேஷ், ஸ்ரீஹரி, anybody? கோகுல்? சரி, கேர்ள்ஸ் சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். பாய்ஸ் சான்ஸ் முடிஞ்சிடுச்சு, நீங்க சொல்லுங்க. கேர்ள்ஸ், what is the formula?
Sin inverse.
Very good ma, very good ma. Sin inverse of x plus c. So y multiplied by root of 1 minus x square equals to sin inverse of x plus c is the answer. Please take down. The next problem, finished? The next one, solve next problem, solve dy by dx plus y by x is equals to sin x. Solve dy by dx plus y by x is equals to sin x. Okay, solve dy by dx plus y by x is equals to sin x. Now listen here. இது வந்து லீனியர் டிஃபரன்ஷியல் ஈக்குவேஷன் y. ஏன்னா பவர் y வந்து 1 தான் இருக்கு. பார்க்கும்போதே இது தெரிஞ்சிச்சு. This is of the form. This is a linear differential equation of the form dy by dx plus py is equals to q. Now p means the coefficient of y. The coefficient of y is here 1 by x. And you can take q is equals to sin x. So first of all, we have to find out the integrating factor, which is equals to e power integral p dx. E power integral p dx. Your p is 1 by x. I can write this as dx by x. E power log x. So simply I can write e and log will get cancelled. Simply I can write x. That is called the integrating factor. That is called e power integral p dx. Now the general solution is y e power integral p dx is equals to integral q e power integral p dx dx plus c. Now y into e power integral p dx. What is e power integral p dx? Which is equals to x integral q sin x into e power integral p dx x sin x dx plus c. இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் போட்டதுக்கே அதான் காரணம். So far simpler direct என்ன பண்ணிட்டீங்க, இன்டகிரேட் பண்ணிட்டீங்க. இப்போ இது கால் இன்டகிரேஷன் பை பார்ட்ஸ் மெத்தட். நான் ஒரு விஷயம் சொல்லி தரேன், ஒருவேளை மறந்து நான் சொல்லியிருக்கலாம், சொல்லாம இருந்திருக்கலாம். Which one is easily differentiable? You have to take that as u. X is easily differentiated, therefore u is equals to x. The remaining part we have dv is equals to sin x dx. Then your du is equals to dx. Integrating v, sin x integration is what? What is the integration of sin x? Minus cos x. Okay. So therefore the formula says x into y. The formula integration by parts is uv integral uv minus integral v du. Your u is x and v is cos x minus cos x minus integral v du. Your v is minus cos x becomes plus cos x. Your du becomes dx plus constant c. Therefore xy is equals to minus x cos x plus cos x integration, which is nothing but sin x plus c. That is the answer. Very simple. மறுபடியும் சொல்றேன், பாய்ஸ் அண்ட் கேர்ள்ஸ். பாய்ஸ் நல்லா கவனிச்சிங்க, நீங்க ஃபார்முலாஸே சொல்ல மாட்டீங்க. இந்த டிஃபரன்ஷியல் ஈக்குவேஷன்ஸ் ஃபுல்லாவே we have to memorize all the differentiation and integration formulas. யாரெல்லாம் இன்னும் டிஃபரன்ஷியேஷன் ஃபார்முலாஸை படிக்கலையோ, யாரெல்லாம் இன்னும் இன்டகிரேஷன் ஃபார்முலாஸை படிக்கலையோ, தயவு செய்து இப்போ இந்த வர ஹாலிடேஸ்ல இல்ல எப்போ ஃப்ரீயா இருக்கீங்களா, தயவு செய்து ப்ளீஸ் மெமரைஸ் தட், பை காட் தட். So the formulas are very important in mathematics. Without formulas and without concepts, we cannot do even a single problem in your mathematics syllabus. புரிஞ்சுதா? Please take down. The next problem. Solve. The next one. Solve x square plus 1 into dy by dx plus 2xy is equals to square root of x square plus 4. X square plus 1 into dy by dx plus 2xy is equals to square root of x square plus 1. So please listen. Now see, the power is x, the power of x is 2, the maximum power of x is 2. Appo this is not in x, linear in not in x, but in y la irukku kandipa. Ena y vandu one da irukku, adha na pochunga. So dividing throughout by x square plus 1, dividing throughout by x square plus 1 will get dy by dx plus 2x y divided by x square plus 1 into y is equals to square root of x square plus 4 divided by x square plus 1. So please listen carefully. இதுதான் இப்ப பார்க்கும்போது this is of the form. This is of the form dy by dx plus py is equals to q, isn't it? So far we are discussing only the linear differential equation in y. The x1 next problem போட போறேன். I just teach you how to solve the problems which are given in the linear equation in y. Sorry, x. Now we are so far it is in linear equation in y. Now listen here, we can take p is equals to 2x divided by x square plus 1. And your q is equals to square root of x square plus 4 divided by x square plus 1. First of all, you have to find out the integrating factor. Your integrating factor is e power integral p dx. E power integral, your p is nothing but 2x divided by x square plus 1 into dx. Easily we can say how the result I've given integral f dash of x divided by f of x dx means we can write is log of f of x. So x square differentiation is 2x. One differentiation is 0. Therefore, the differentiation of denominator is in the numerator. Therefore, I can say e power log of x square plus 1, which is nothing but x square plus 1. So we have found out the integrating factor. Now the general solution is, what is the formula? Y e power integral p dx. Again போட்டிருக்கேன். அப்படியே next problemsல போட்டுட்டு இருக்கும்போது இந்த formulasலாம் போட மாட்டேன். So mindல ஏத்திக்கணும் நீங்க. Y e power integral p dx, y into x square plus 1. Integral q, what is q value? Root of x square plus 4 divided by x square plus 1 e power integral plus x square plus 1 into dx. Both this will get cancelled. Simply we have x square plus 4 square root of, we have x square plus 4. Right? Now, how to find out this x square plus 4? Now we can have y into x square plus 4. Okay, now I can write this as integral square root of x square plus 2 square into dx. ஒரு ஃபார்முலா இப்ப நான் கேட்க போறேன், யார் சொல்றீங்கன்னு பார்க்கலாம். சரிங்களா? டெஃபினட்டா நம்ம நேரா சந்திக்கும் போது அவங்களுக்கு ஒரு gift கொடுத்துருவாங்க. நேம் மட்டும் சொல்லிடுங்க. ஏன்னா ஃபார்முலா சொல்றதுலயும் ஒரு இது இருக்குது. x square plus a square into dx. கேர்ள்ஸ் சொல்றீங்களா, பாய்ஸ் சொல்றீங்களா பார்க்கலாம். யார் சொன்னாலும் உங்களுக்கு ஒரு gift. Next class, offline class I'll give you. What is the formula for this?
X by 2
Good.
root x square plus 4
Root x square plus 4. That is x square plus a
plus
square.
a
Plus next
plus
one.
a by 2 log
Plus a by 2 log. Come on.
into x plus root x square
Root x square plus a square. Right?
plus a square plus c.
Yeah, what's your name, ma?
Danya sir.
Then yeah, right. Okay. Definitely I'll give you a gift on the first class. Next first class what we meet. Offline class la kandipa தரேன். Don't forget. புரியுதுங்களா? நான் கண்டிப்பா கொடுப்பேன், மறக்க மாட்டேன். ரைட்டா? Next one பாருங்க. Dania, very good. God bless you. X square plus 1 is equals to integral square root of x square plus a square. The formula we can apply, x divided by 2 into root of a square plus x square plus a square. That is called x square plus 4 plus a is 2. 2 divided by 2. Correct? We can write this as a square by 2 வருமா? a square by 2. Sorry. A square by 2 formula la. Therefore, I have to put 4 by 2 into log of x plus square root of x square plus 4 plus c. That's all. 4 2 times போகும். Therefore, I can say y into x square plus 1, x by 2 into root of x square plus 4 plus log of x plus root of x square plus 4 in plus c. கவனிங்க. ஸோ அதனால தான் இந்த ஃபார்முலாஸ் ரொம்ப முக்கியம். ஏன் இந்த ப்ராப்ளம் போடுறதுக்கு முன்னாடி ஃபார்முலாஸ் முக்கியம்னா, எல்லா ப்ராப்ளத்தையும் மனப்பாடம் பண்ணிச்சாதான் இந்த ப்ராப்ளத்தை கம்ப்ளீட்டா சால்வ் பண்ண முடியும். இல்லைன்னா அதர்வைஸ் ஆஃப் ஆஃப் த ப்ராப்ளம் மட்டும் தான் சால்வ் பண்ண முடியும். வித் திஸ் வில் ஸ்டாப் திஸ் ப்ராப்ளம். அவ்வளவுதான், சொல்யூஷன் கண்டுபிடிச்சாச்சு. பாய்ஸ்லாம் இருக்கிறீங்களா? பாய்ஸ் கொஞ்சம் உங்க வாயை ஓப்பன் பண்ணுங்கப்பா ப்ளீஸ். பாய்ஸ் நெக்ஸ்ட் ப்ராப்ளம் அப்பதான் போடுவேன், நீங்க ஓப்பன் பண்ணாதான். ஆர் யூ ஆல் தேர்? பாய்ஸ், கேர்ள்ஸ் மட்டும் தான் ஆன்சர் பண்றாங்க, பாய்ஸ் வரவே மாட்டீங்களே. பாய்ஸ் இருக்கீங்களா?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right, pa. Okay, please take down. Next problem நம்ம போட போறோம். So completely different from all these problems. Okay, next problem. We'll do the next problem. Solve 2x minus 10y cube into dy plus y dx equals to 0. Solve 2x minus 10y cube 2x minus 10y cube into dy by dx, dy plus y dx is equals to 0. Okay, listen. So on seeing this problem, நான் ஏற்கனவே சொன்னேன், லீனியர்ல y இருந்தாதான் நான் ஃபார்ம் என்ன கொண்டு வரேன், dy by dx plus py is equals to x ஃபார்முக்கு கொண்டு வர முடியும். பட் அப்படி இல்லாத பட்சத்துல இங்க பாருங்க y cube இருக்கு. அப்போ we can clearly say this is not linear in y. அப்போ not linear in y அப்படின்னா அதை x கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். எப்படின்னு பாருங்க. So I can keep dy, சரிங்களா? இது dy ல இருக்கு, 10y cube dy இருக்கு. So எப்படி கூட போட்டுங்க, 2x minus 10y cube into dy, bring this that side, y by dx. எனக்கு dy by dx தான் வரணும் யூசுவலா. இப்போ இது y லீனியர்ல இல்ல, y cube ஒரு டேர்ம் வந்துடுச்சு, y ஸ்கொயர் ஒரு டேர்ம் இருக்குது, உடனே அது y ல இல்லன்னு அர்த்தம். அப்ப x ல இதை கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணணும். எப்படின்னா we have to change that. அப்போ இந்த y எங்க கொண்டு வந்துருங்க, 2x minus 10y cube divided by y, சரியா, which is equals to dy by dx. அப்படின்றத இங்க போச்சுன்னா dx by dy, சரிங்களா? அப்ப I can write this as minus dx by dx. ஓகே, minus dx by dy ன்னு இருக்கு. சோ அப்ப நெக்ஸ்ட் டேர்ம்ல நான் என்ன பண்ண போறேன், 2x minus 10y cube தனித்தனியா பிரிக்கிறீங்க. இப்ப 2x by y, about 2x divided by y minus 10y cube by y square, y cancel out y square equals to minus dx by dy. So bring this dx by dy this side becomes plus. இப்போ y ன்றது x டேர்ம்ல மாறிடுச்சு. அப்ப என்னன்னா plus 2 divided by y into x. Bring this 10y square that side. அப்போ this is of the form. இப்போ எப்படி மாறிடுச்சுன்னு பாருங்க. அப்போ so far நம்ம பார்த்துட்டு இருந்தது dy by dx plus py equals to q. Now the equation in form linear in this form is linear in x. அப்போ அந்த ஃபார்ம் எப்படி இருக்கும் அப்படின்னா this is of the form dx plus dy plus px is equals to q. So அப்படியே மாறிடுச்சு உல்டா. x is replaced by y. y ன்றது x ஆக மாறிவிட்டது, x என்பது y ஆக மாறிடுச்சு. Now I can say the linear differential equation in x. அப்போ the form is dx by dy plus px is equals to q. Now I can take what is p and what is q. So now let us take p is equals to 2 by y and your q is equals to 10y square. Now you find out the integrating factor. How can you write the integrating factor? பாருங்க, this is the first problem. We are doing linear differential equation in x. So far we can say e power integral p dx. Now it is transferred to y, therefore e power p dy. E power integral, your p is 2 divided by 2 a common after dy by y, which is equals to e power 2 log y. Otherwise I can say e power log y square. Simply we can write the integrating factor is y square. Now you have found out the integrating factor, which means that the linear differential equation in x. இது வரைக்கும் y ன்னு பார்த்தோம், இங்க x இருக்கு. அப்போ the general solution is also changed. The general solution usually how can write y e power integral p dx is equals to q integral e power p dx plus c. But here it has transferred x e power integral p dy equals to q e power integral p dy into dy plus c. Okay, entirely the x will be transferred to y. Now x into e power integral p dy. You can write this as y squared integral q. What is q value? 10y square. Okay, so which is equals to 10y square e power integral p y square into dy plus c. I can write xy square 10 taken common y square into y square y power 4 dy plus c, which is equals to 10 y power 4 integration is y power 5 by 5 plus c. 5 it will go 2 times. Therefore the general solution is xy square 2y power 5 plus c. That's all. பாருங்க, ஒரே ஒரு விஷயம் தான், x லீனியர் ஈக்குவேஷனா இருக்கு. So far y ன்னு பார்த்தோம். ஏன் y இல்லனா y உடைய ஒரு term வந்து y cube இருக்கு. Y cube is not a cubic one, not a linear one. So therefore I can say this equation contains what? Y cube, so that I can say it is not linear in y. நீங்க வேணா போட்டுங்க. So here the equation contains y cube or equation in y cube, so that we can say the equation is not in linear. The equation is not linear. Therefore, I am converting this into x, linear in x. So, அப்ப இந்த மாதிரி terms y cube, y squared, y power 4 அப்படின்னு இருந்துச்சுன்னா y மட்டும் இல்லாம then we have to convert that into linear form of x. Are you all understand? புரியுதா?
Yes, sir.
Right, ma. சந்தோஷம். பாய்ஸ் நியூ ரெசல்யூஷன் எடுத்துட்டாங்க பொழுது நம்ம வாயை திறக்க கூடாது, அமைதியா இருக்கணும் கிளாஸ்ல அப்படின்னு. அப்படியா தம்பி? நீங்க சொல்லும் போதுதான் எனக்கு உற்சாகமே அதிகம். புரிஞ்சுதா பாய்ஸ்? நம்ம ஆளுங்க சொல்லணும்ல, அப்பதானே அந்த குரலை கணீர் குரலை கேட்கும் போதுதான் ஒரு சந்தோஷமே. பாய்ஸ் புரியுதாப்பா?
எஸ் சார்.
ரைட் மா தம்பி, தேங்க்யூ. நெக்ஸ்ட் ப்ராப்ளம் போடலாம். Solve. சரி எழுதிங்க. Please take down quickly. We'll do the next one. Solve. X sin x dy by dx. Solve x sin x dy by dx plus x cos x plus sin x into y is equals to sin x. X sin x dy by dx plus x cos x plus sin x into y equals to sin x. Okay, va? X sin x dy by dx plus x cos x plus sin x into y is equals to sin x. So it is given that the differential equation x sin x dy by dx plus x cos x plus sin x into y equal to sin x. So இப்போ வந்து x-ம் லீனியர்ல தான் இருக்கு, y-ம் லீனியர் தான் இருக்கு, and usual given dy by dx. அப்ப therefore சொல்லலாம் the equation is linear in y. So you have to arrange that. Linear in y means the equation is of the form dy by dx plus py is equals to q. So that arrange in that form, dividing by x sin x. So what happened? Dy by dx. So dividing by x sin x, I can write this as plus x cos x plus sin x divided by x sin x into y equal to sin x divided by x sin x. Sin x cancel. Simply we have x cos x. See, the given linear differential equation is of the form dy by dx plus py is equals to q. Now you can take p. What is p? Boys, சொல்லுங்கப்பா. இப்பதான் கொஞ்சம் ஓபன் பண்ணிருக்காரு ஒரு தம்பி. What is p? இந்த ஈக்குவேஷன்ல இருந்து எதை p ன்னு கன்சிடர் பண்ணுவோம்? Which one is p? Tell me, boys. Anyone? ஒரு பாய் கூட கவனிக்க மாட்டீங்க. What is p? சொல்லுங்களேன். இது பாருங்க, dy by dx plus
x
dy
cos x plus sin x
very good.
by x sin
Very
x.
good pa. X cos x plus sin x divided by x sin x. And similarly, we can take q is equals to x. First of all, you have to find out the integrating factor, which is equals to e power integral p dx. Your p is x cos x plus sin x divided by x sin x into dx. So look for the denominator. It is given that x sin x. Differentiate that. We can keep x constant. Sin x differentiation is cos x. Keep sin x constant. Differentiating x, will get 1. So the differentiation of the denominator is in numerator. Immediately we can write this as e power log of x sin x. So removing the log and exponential, we can write this as x sin x. We are found out the integrating factor. Now the general solution is y e power integral p dx is equals to q into integral e power p dx into dx plus c. Now y into what is e power integral p dx? Your e power integral p dx is sin x,
Sir.
x sin x. Yes, சொல்லுமா.
Sir,
சொல்லுங்க,
Q
கேளுங்க.
வந்து 1 by x வராது சார்.
Sorry ma, dividing by x. Thank you. What's your name?
தன்யா சார்.
Anya தான் கேட்டுட்டே இருக்கீங்களா? Right, 1 by x. சரியாமா? Right, which is equals to 1 by x. So okay, Danya? Right, I can write this as this is 1 by x. About
Yes,
q
sir.
is equals to 1 by x e power integral p dx, which is equals to x sin x into dx plus c. Very simple பாருங்க. X will get cancelled. We have y into x sin x is equals to sin x integration is minus cos x plus c. Therefore, you can write the answer as, okay, so that is the answer. You can write this as which is equals to xy sin x, bring this minus cos x, this x, plus cos x is equals to c. So that is the answer. Please take down. Next problem பாருங்க. Probably இந்த மாதிரி ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ்னா 5 மார்க்ஸ்ல வரும். So those who are preparing for board examinations, எல்லாருமே most of the students, you all preparing for board exam இல்லையா? காமன் எக்ஸாமுக்கு நம்ம ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ண ஆரம்பிச்சிட்டோம். இப்பயே எது வந்தாலும் தயார் நிலையில இருக்கணும் இல்லையா? So now இப்போ இந்த சம் பாருங்க. You can expect this for 5 marks. Solve, the question is solve. So கொஞ்சம் lengthy இருக்கு. Anyway பாருங்க, y minus e power sin inverse of x into dx by dy plus square root of 1 minus x square is equals to 0. Y minus e power sin inverse of x into dy by dx 1 minus x squared is equals to 0. சரியா? So listen. இப்போ இந்த கொஸ்டினை பாத்தீங்கன்னா dx by dy இருக்கு. இப்போ யூசுவலா dy by dx வந்தாதான் we can say that the linear equation is in y. But here I am saying that dx by dy, I can just என்ன பண்ணணும் நம்ம, we can say immediately d on seeing the question, maybe this is linear in x. ஆனா கண்டிப்பா இருக்கு. ஏன்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா we have sin inverse of x. So trigonometric function should not be included for linear equations. இப்போ x லீனியரா இருக்கணும்னா கண்டிப்பா அது வந்து எக்ஸ்ல மட்டும்தான், பாலினாமியல்ல மட்டும்தான் இருக்கணும், வெறும் சிங்கிள் இதுல தான் இருக்கணும் பவர்ல. பட் சைன் இன்வர்ஸ் ஆஃப் எக்ஸ் கண்டிப்பா என்ன சொன்னா, இட் இஸ் நாட் லீனியர் இன் எக்ஸ். ஸோ கண்டிப்பா இட் இஸ் நாட் லீனியர் இன் எக்ஸ். சின்ஸ் இட் இஸ் நாட் லீனியர் இன் எக்ஸ், டெஃபினட்டா அதை ஒய்ல கன்வெர்ட் பண்ணும். எப்படி பாருங்க, லெட் us keep y minus e power sin inverse of x into dx by dy. Bring this that side, will becomes minus of root of 1 minus x squared. Next, dx by dy is equals to minus of root of 1 minus x squared divided by y minus e power sin inverse of x. But if it is taken as linear in y, the thing should be in dy by dx. இங்க dx by dy இருக்கா, take reciprocal, that's all. dy by dx, it will go up, it will come down. So therefore minus of y minus e power sin inverse of x divided by square root of 1 minus x square, split into two factors. The first factor is minus y divided by root of 1 minus x square. The second factor is minus into plus e power sin inverse of x divided by root of 1 minus x square. Now you arrange in an order, we'll get dy by dx is equals to, minus becomes this side plus 1 by root of 1 minus x square into y equals to e power sine inverse of x divided by root of 1 minus x square. Now on seeing this is of the form, usual general time, general form, this is of the form dy by dx plus py is equals to q. Now I can say p is equals to, now you can take p is equals to root of 1 minus x square, and your q is the remaining one, e power sine inverse of x divided by root of 1 minus x square. Are you all listening? Or you follow this? Now you find out what is the integrating factor. Your integrating factor is e power integral p dx, which is equals to e power integral. Your p is root of 1 minus x square dx divided by root of 1 minus x square. This is the formula for sine inverse of x. Therefore, I can say e power sine inverse of x. We know the general solution. What is the general solution? If it is linear in y, then the general solution y e power integral p dx is equals to integral q e power integral p dx into dx plus c. This is called the general solution. Now I can write your integrating factor is e power integral p dx. Sorry, general solution direct up y e power integral p dx, which is equals to e power sine inverse of x, integral q e power sine inverse of x divided by root of 1 minus x square e power integral p dx e power sine inverse of x into dx. Now you can write this as y e power sine inverse of x integral e power sine inverse of x the whole square divided by root of 1 minus x square into dx. Now, this simply a substitution method. I am taking sine inverse of x is t. Your t is equals to sine inverse of x. Immediately dt is equals to sine inverse of x differentiation is dx divided by root of 1 minus x square. Therefore, instead of root of 1 minus x square, I can write this as integral e power sine inverse of x, that is e power t. The whole square, we can write this as e power 2t. Square under e power 2t. Dx divided by 1 minus x, which is nothing but dt. The integration of that y e power sine inverse of x is equals to e power 2t. The integration of e power 2t is integration of e power 2t. So which is equals to e power 2t divided by 2. Integration, so that we have to divide by 2 plus constant. Therefore, the final answer is y e power sine inverse of x is equals to e power 2 into t. What is the t value? Sine inverse of x. E power 2 sine inverse of x divided by 2 plus c is the answer. Very simple. Once you are thorough, what is called a linear differential equation, the type should be in what form? அப்படின்னு சொல்லும்போது ஈஸியா போட்டுடலாம். இங்க கிளியரா சொல்லியாச்சு. ஆனா on seeing the question, immediately all the students, most of the students may say that this equation is linear in x. But since we have sine inverse of x, linear சொன்னா அந்த மாதிரி inverse, trigonometry எதுலயுமே இருக்க கூடாது. It should be very simple in x இல்ல y. Therefore, we are converting into linear in y. Then we are proceeding the problem. Do you follow this? Please, I want everyone to please open your mouth, both boys and girls. Very important one. இல்லனா மறுபடியும் நான் சொல்லி தருவேன். Are you all clear? சந்தேகம் இருக்கா? Please. Girls இருக்காமா? Any doubt?
சார் இன்னொரு வாட்டி சொல்லித்தாங்க சார்.
இன்னொரு தடவை சொல்லி தரேன். ஓகேமா? That is very good. இல்லையா? நல்லது. அதுதான். Solve y minus e power sine inverse of x divided by, dx by dy plus root of 1 minus x square equal to 0. Now listen here. Everybody thinks that on seeing this, it is given in dx by dy. We may consider that this is a linear equation in x. But it is not possible because it is given that e power sine inverse of x. So no linear form should be in exponential or trigonometry. Therefore, convert into y. How I am converting into y? I am just taking dx by dy. Dx by dy is equals to minus root of 1 minus x square divided by y minus e power sine inverse of x. If the equation should be linear in y, then the differentiation form should be in dy by dx. I'm converting dx by dy as dy by dx, just ulta, taking the reciprocal. What happened? Minus of y minus e power sine inverse of x root of 1 minus x square. I am separating into two factors. The first factor is minus y divided by root of 1 minus x square plus minus into minus plus e power sine inverse of x. Just I am splitting two factors. So now I am arranging in the form of dy by dx plus py equals to q. Therefore, the minus y by root of 1 minus is taken in left hand side. We can write dy by dx plus root 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square into y equals to e power sine inverse of x divided by root of 1 minus x square. This is of the form dy by dx plus py equals to q. Now I am taking p as y க்கு முன்னாடி என்ன இருக்கோ அதுதான் I have taken as p 1 divided by root of 1 minus x square, and I am taking q as e power sine inverse of x root of 1 minus x square. As usual procedure, let us find out what is the integrating factor. Is e power integral phi dx. So e power integral dx divided by root of 1 minus x square is nothing but sine inverse of x. Therefore, we are finding out the value of integrating factor is e power sine inverse of x. Knowing the value of integrating factor, we can find out the solution, the real solution, the general solution for this problem. What is the general solution formula? Y e power integral p dx is equals to integral q e power p dx. Substitute all the values. Your e power integral p dx is e power sine inverse of x. Your q is e power sine inverse of x divided by root of 1 minus x square into e power sine inverse of x. Multiplying this thing will get e power sine inverse of x the whole square. Purely the substitution method. I am taking t is sine inverse of x. Differentiating that, your dt becomes dx divided by root of 1 minus x square. Substituting the values e power t, but the square is there, therefore I can write e power 2t dx by root of 1 minus x square as dt. Now we integrate e power 2t is nothing but e power 2t divided by 2 plus constant. Finally, I am substituting the value of t is sine inverse of x. I'll get the answer is y e power sine inverse of x equal to e power 2 sine inverse of x divided by 2 plus c. Any doubt in this? Boys, do you follow this? Do you agree this? Any doubt? Any doubt in this? Please. Okay. Boys, irkapa? Any doubt, boys? The next one. We'll move on to the next one.
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Right, pa.
Okay, sir.
Right. Solve the next problem. Solve dy by dx. The next one. Solve dy by dx. Solve dy by dx. Plus y divided by 1 minus x into root x is equals to 1 minus root x. Okay, solve dy by dx plus y into 1 minus x into root x is equals to 1 minus root x. Can anyone tell me, is it linear in y or linear in x? On seeing the problem. So we have
Linear in y,
decided
sir.
that this is a very good. This is in y. This is a linear differential equation in y. Okay, so this is a linear differential equation in y. Therefore, this is of the form dy by dx plus py is equals to q. Now I can take what is p. Your p is y க்கு முன்னாடி என்ன இருக்கோ அது full ஆ 1 divided by 1 minus x into root x. Your q is equals to 1 minus root x. That's all. I have taken as p is equals to 1 minus x and root x, and q is equals to 1 minus root x. Now, here the problem is how to integrate the integrating factor. So first of all, we have to find out the integrating factor e power integral p dx, which is equals to e power integral. Your p is dx divided by 1 minus x into root x. That's all. So how to integrate this? So very simple method. This is called as substitution method. Okay. So this is a very simple method. This is called a substitution method. Okay. So now I can write this as substitution method. Now I am taking this as u is equals to root x. Root x means we can write this as x power 1 by 2. Then what happened? Your du by dx. or du is equals to 1 by 2. X power 2, 1 by 2 minus 1, I can write this as minus 1 by 2. Correct? Huh? So I can write this as 1 by 2 x power minus 1 by 2. Otherwise, I can write this as 1 by 2 root x. This is the integration of root x. So 1 by directa தெரிஞ்சவங்க போட்டுக்கலாம் கூடவே dx வரும். அப்போ instead of du, I can write this as dx by root x. இங்க பாத்தீங்கன்னா dx by root x இருக்கு. 2 தான் இல்ல. அப்போ I can write this as 2 du is equals to dx by root x. Now you substitute in integrating factor. We'll get e power integral dx divided by root x. I can write this as 2 du divided by 1 minus x. 1 minus x எப்படி போடலாம்? If u is equals to root x, then u squared is equals to x. Instead of x, I can write this as 1 minus u square. இது மாதிரி நிறைய ப்ராப்ளம் போட்டிருக்கோம். அதனால உங்களுக்கு புரியும். ரைட்டா? Integral 1 minus u square. So I can write this as e power integral 2 du divided by 1 minus u square. We have taken u is equals to root x and du is equals to 1 by 2 root dx. But according to the problem integration, dx by root x இருக்கு. 2 இந்த சைடு கொண்டு வந்துட்டா 2 du மாறிடும். 1 minus x இருக்கு. x க்கு பதிலா u square. அப்போ we'll get e power integral 2 integration of du divided by 1 minus u square. எத்தனை பேருக்கு இந்த ஃபார்முலா தெரியும்? யாருன்னா ஒருத்தர் தெரிஞ்சா சொல்லுங்க பார்க்கலாம். அவங்களுக்கும் gift 1 minus x square. சரி, அதாவது a square minus x square இருக்கும். ஃபார்முலால நான் கொடுத்தது உள்ள ஒருவேளை உங்க புக்ல இருக்கிறது dx divided by a square minus x squared. What is the formula?
1 by 2a log
Very good, ma. Dania,
a plus x by a minus x.
Very good. 1 by 2a into log a plus x divided by a minus x plus c. So formulas are very important. இல்லனா நீங்க ஒரு formulas எழுதி உங்க கையில உங்க கைப்பட on your own handwriting எழுதி உங்க தனியா ஒரு பேப்பர் பிட் மாதிரி ஒன்று வச்சீங்க, ஒரு புக்லெட் மாதிரி கூட வச்சீங்க ஃபார்முலாஸ்க்குன்னு தனியா. இஃப் டைம் பெர்மிட்ஸ் நம்ம நேரா பார்க்கணும்னா நான் உங்களுக்கு ஃபார்முலாஸ் கூட ஒரு நாள் தரேன். அப்படிலாம் ஐ ஜஸ்ட் ரெக்கமெண்ட் த புக் பிஃபோர் யூ ஆர் கோயிங் டு ஸ்டார்ட் த எக்ஸாமினேஷன்ல உங்களுக்கு ரெஃபர் பண்றேன். அப்போ அதை வாங்கி கூட நீங்க வச்சுக்கலாம் கையில. ஓகே, நவ் so a square minus x square divided by 1 by 2a log a plus x a minus x, that is the formula which is equals to, this is formula, right? Another box for equal to e power 2 into log of 1 by 2a, which is equals to 1 by 2 into a is 1, 2 log of 1 plus u divided by 1 minus u plus c, 2 cancel, e power log of 1 plus a, you have taken, sorry, you have taken u as root x divided by 1 minus root x. The plus வரக்கூடாது, இங்க ஆல்ரெடி நம்ம போட்டிருக்கோம் இல்லையா? இப்போ now e and log x will be get cancelled. Therefore the integrating factor becomes 1 plus root x divided by 1 minus root x. So far நம்ம கண்டுபிடிச்சது only the integrating factor. வேற எதுவுமே கண்டுபிடிக்கல. Okay, simply we are found out the value of integrating factor. So at last we have found that the integrating factor is 1 by root x minus 1 by minus root x. We know the general solution. Your general solution is what? Y e power integral p dx is equals to integral q e power integral p dx dx plus c. So this is the general solution. Now I can write y e power integral p dx plus equals to q e power integral p dx dx plus c. Y, what is e power integral p dx? 1 plus root x divided by 1 minus root x. Integral q, your q is equals to 1 minus root x into e power integral p dx 1 plus root x divided by 1 minus root x. So into dx plus constant. These two will get cancelled. You can write this as 1 plus root x divided by 1 minus root x is equals to integral 1. We can simply write this as 1. Root x can witness 1 by 2. So already நம்மளுக்கு root x integrate பண்ணி வச்சிருக்கோம், டைரக்டா பண்ணிடலாம். So integration of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Therefore y into 1 plus root x divided by 1 minus root x. Integration of dx is x. Integration of root x is 1 by 2 root x plus constant. That is answer. So only thing how to calculate the integrating factor. இங்க மெயினா only how to calculate the integration மட்டும் தெரிஞ்சா போதும். The problem is very simple. Please take down. So most of the problems, almost all the exercise problems I'm doing, because this is one of the very, very fine chapter, fine exercise, very important exercise, and also frequently asked questions comes from this exercise that is called in your textbook 10 point things of 7. Very important exercise. Okay, next problem. Next one. Solve the next problem. Solve 1 plus x plus xy squared into dy by dx plus y plus y cube equal to 0. See, 1 plus xy squared dy by dx plus y cube equal to 0. Can anyone tell me the linear equation is x or y?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
X, because y cube vandrale it is x. But therefore not linear in y. So kandipa it is in x. How can I convert into x? Means the dy by dx should be changed to dx by dy. Now you keep 1 plus x plus xy squared into dy by dx is equals to y plus y cube. Minus y plus y cube equal to. Now bring this y plus y cube this side. 1 plus xy squared by y plus y cube. Now you take dx that side, minus dx divided by dy. Okay, minus dx divided by dy. Maricha, even in the linear differential equation is in x. So upon the form that should be in the form of dx by dy plus px is equals to q. I'm converting into that form, which implies what I'm doing here is 1 plus, I can take x common in this part, we'll get 1 plus y squared. Similarly, I'm taking y common in the numerator, denominator, we'll get 1 plus y squared equals to minus dx by dy. This implies dividing separate into two factors, 1 divided by y into 1 plus y square. Next, we are separating 1 plus y square get cancelled, x divided by y, which is equals to minus dx by dy. The next one we can arrange in order, minus dx, bring this one, plus dx by dy, plus px, x term should be the next procedure, 1 by y into x, bring this q that side, minus 1 divided by y into 1 plus y squared. So this is of the form dx plus dy plus px is equals to q. Now I can say your p is equals to 1 by y, your p is equals to 1 by a. Next, your q is equals to minus 1 divided by 1 into 1 plus y square. We have to find out the integrating factor. Your integrating factor formula is e power integral p d y usually. Now, e power integral p is called dy. Our dy by y is nothing but e power log y. Simply we can write this as y. We have found out the integrating factor is y. Now the general solution, how will you write the general solution? Because this is a linear differential equation in x. Now I can write the general solution as x e power integral p dy equals to integral q e power integral p dy dy plus constant. Usually it should be in dx and x because the linear differential equation in x, the formula becomes x e power into p dy equals to q e power into p dy. Now you apply x into e power into y. What is q value? Q is minus 1 divided by y into 1 plus y square into e power into y dy. Y get cancelled plus c. So xy is equals to minus of integral dy by 1 plus y square plus c. This is of the form integral dx divided by 1 plus x square. The very famous formula, the very important, regularly we can use this formula. Dx divided by 1 plus x squared is tan inverse of x. So that I can write this as this implies xy is equals to minus of tan inverse of y plus c. Therefore, we can write this as xy plus tan inverse of y plus c is equals to c is the solution, is the general solution. This all comes under 5 marks. Please take down. Now we are going to do some in-text problems, which is not from your textbook. Okay, so this is not in your textbook. So far we have discussed it from your exercise problems. Now we are going to do some problems which is in-text problem, which is useful for your multiple choice questions and also for your entrance examination, mostly for your entrance examination. Please take down the problems which is in-text problem. Okay, next problem. A curve y is equals to f of x. A curve y is equals to f of x. The next problem is the in-text problems. Okay. A curve y is equals to f of x. The curve y is equals to f of x. Passing through the point 1, 2. Passing through the point 1, 2 satisfies the differential equation. Satisfies the differential equation x dy by dx plus y is equals to bx power 4. X dy by dx plus y equals to bx power 4. Such that integral 1 to 2. Such that integral 1 to 2 f of y dy is equals to f of y dy is equals to 62 by 5. Then find the value of b. Then find the value of b. So இங்க என்ன கொடுத்துறாங்க f of y. அப்போ இங்க பாருங்க இது dy by dx கொடுத்திருக்காங்க, y equals to x power 4. கண்டிப்பா நமக்கு என்ன இருக்கணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி பாத்தீங்கன்னா லீனியர் இன் எதுலமா இருக்குது this equation
Linear in y, sir.
y because x power 4 இருக்கு. அப்போ we have to arrange dividing by x, we'll get dy by dx plus y divided by x, that is called 1 by x into y equals to bx cube. This is of the form dy by dx plus py is equals to q. Okay, now we have to find out dy by dx plus q. P is equals to what? 1 by x, and your q is equals to what? bx cube. Your integrating factor is equals to e power integral p dx, which is equals to integral p power dx by x, which is equals to e power log x, which is nothing but x. We have found out that the value is of integrating factor is x. Now the general solution formula is y e power integral p dx is equals to integral q e power integral p dx dx plus c. Now y into e power p dx, which is equals to y into x, integral q e power integral p dx. Your q is what? Bx cube. Right? Unnode p dx ude value another x. So therefore I can say your xy is equals to integration of b is taken common outside x power 4 dx. So x power 4 integrate panna xy is equals to plus c b x power 5 by 5 plus constant. It is given that it passes through the point 1 comma 2. It passes through 1 comma 2. It passes through 1 comma. Kandipa entrance la indha mari dhaan keppa. Values கொடுத்து தான் கேட்பான். டைரக்டா சால்வ்னு சொல்ல மாட்டான். Most of the time 90%, merely 90% should be the values are given. It passes through 1 comma 2, which means that the value of x is 1 and value of y is 2. About 1 into 2, which is equals to b into 1 by 5 b by 5 plus c. Okay, so therefore I can say your 2 is equals to b by 5 plus c. So இதுல இருந்து நம்ம c value கண்டுபிடிக்கலாம் இல்லையா? From this I can take the equation as b plus 5c equals to 2. b plus 5c equals to 2. So they are cross multiplying எடுத்தீங்கன்னா this implies b plus 5c, 2 5s are 10, sorry. Take this as equation 1. So we'll get b plus 5c is equals to 10. Okay, now we have to find out what is b and what is c. Question enna ketirukka? We have to find out the value of only of b. What is the value of b? Let us take this as equation 1. அடுத்து நம்ம equation 2 க்கு நம்ம போறோம். எப்படின்னு கேட்டீங்கன்னா இங்க பாருங்க y xy is equals to அப்படினு இருக்கு இல்லையா? இதுல இருந்து y எடுத்துக்கலாம். How? 2 out dividing by x. அப்ப y is equals to x ஆல டிவைட் பண்ணா bx power 4 by 5 plus c divided by x. இதுதான் y. அந்த y is called f of y. அதுதான் நம்ம என்ன சொல்றோம்? y is called f of y. அதுதான். இப்போ இதுல given 1 to 2 f of y. Your f of y is what? bx power 4 divided by 5 plus c divided by x into dx. அந்த f of y னா x னு கூட நீ மாத்திக்கலாம். நெக்ஸ்ட்ல வந்து you can write this as f of x dx னு மாத்திங்க. f of x dx. நான் ஏற்கனவே சொல்லியிருக்கேன் x and y are called dummy variable. We can change it in t, x, anything. அப்போ I can change this as x and y. அப்போ therefore your y is nothing but f of x. Therefore your bx power 4 by 5 plus c by x into dx is equals to 62 by 5. Now this implies integration of this one becomes bx power 5 by 5. Already 5 is there, 25 plus c constant. Dx by x becomes log x. Dx by x becomes log x, which is equals to c log x. 1 to 2 equals to 62 by 5. This becomes, so instead of x I can put 2. 2 power 5 is called 32. Yeah. So b by 25 into 32 plus c into log 2. Next term, if we can put 1, which becomes minus b by 25. And the next one, log 1 becomes 0, equals to 62 by 5. This implies, இங்க பாருங்க ரெண்டுமே LCM 25 இருக்கு. 32 ல 1 போச்சுனா 31 by 25b. Next one, plus c log 2 equals to 62 by 5. Okay, now you take LCM. Here we have 25. So we can write this as 31b plus 25c log 2 or 25 log 2c equals to 62 by 5. 5 it will go 5 times. This becomes 31b plus 25 log 2 is equals to 62 into 5 will get 310. So let us take the value equation as 2. Okay, once again I'll repeat, please தயவு செய்து கவனிங்க. இந்த மாதிரி ப்ராப்ளம்ஸ் ஏன் போடுறேன்னா சம்டைம்ஸ் இந்த ப்ராப்ளத்தெல்லாம் நீங்க கிளியர் ஆயிட்டீங்கன்னா மற்ற ப்ராப்ளம்லாம் ரொம்ப சிம்பிள். பாருங்க, it is given that the question, once again I'll read, a curve y is equals to f of x passing through the point 1 comma 2 satisfies the differential equation x dy by dx plus y is equals to bx power 4 such that integral 1 to 2 f of x dx or f of y dy equals to 62 by 5. Find the value of c. So very first equation x dy by plus y equal to bx power 4. On seeing that the equation in x power 4, we can confirmly say that it is not linear in x. அப்ப என்ன வரும்? Y. Therefore, it is linear in y. If the equation is linear differential equation is in y, this is of the form dy by dx plus py equals to q. I am converting into dy by dx plus py equals to q. I have taken that p is equals to 1 by x and q is equals to bx power 4. So the solution is y e power integral p dx is equals to integral q e power integral p dx plus c. And I have taken that y e power integral p dx, y into e power integral p dx. What is the value of e power integral p dx? E power integral p dx is equals to, we can say this is 1 by x, right? So therefore integration of dx by x is log x. So therefore we'll get the e power integral p dx is x. Substituting in the general solution, we'll get y into x is equals to bx cube into x dx. Integrating the x power 4, we'll get x power 5 by 5 plus c. According to the problem, it is given that it passes through the point 1, 2. So I am substituting the value of x is equals to 1 and y is equals to 2. So therefore, we are substituting the values and they are getting the equation b plus 5c is equals to 10. This is equation number 1. And also given that integral 1 to 2 f of x dx equals to 62 by 5. So your f of x is nothing but y. Therefore, I am putting y is equals to bx power 4 by 5 plus c by x, because we are found out that xy is equals to bx power 5 by 5 plus c. We want only y. Throughout dividing the equation by x, we'll get bx power 4 by 5 plus c by x. That is called y, nothing but f of x. Substituting the given integration and integrating, we'll get bx power 5 plus c log x 1 to 2, 62 by 5. Substituting the upper interval and lower interval, we'll get the equation as 31b plus 25 log 2 is equals to 310. So far, we are found out the two equations. So please take down. Okay. So now, okay, finish taking. Okay, right. So let us solve these two equations and get the value of b and c. But according to the question, the only we have to find out the value of b. So the very important thing, since நம்ம b மட்டும் கண்டுபிடிக்கணும் அப்படினால, let us solve the equation. The second equation is what? 31. So you have to multiply this by 31. So therefore, the second equation is 31b plus 25 log 2 is equals to, ரெண்டுத்துக்குமே நான் கண்டுபிடிச்சு காமிக்கிறேன் பாருங்க, 310. Next to multiply this by 31b plus 5 into 31. So what is the value of 5 into 31, which is equals to 155c. So log 2c, 155c equals to 310. Therefore, I can say 31b, changing the symbol, 31b 0. We can write this as 155c log 2. Yeah, I can write this as 25 log 2. 25 log 2 plus 25 log 2 minus 155 into c equals to 0, which means that from this we have found out that the value of c is 0. ரெண்டுத்துல ஏதாவது ஒன்று எடுத்துமே போடலாம். அப்போ therefore in the second equation இதுல எடுத்துமே போடலாமா இல்ல இதுல எடுத்துமே போடலாம். Value of c is 0. Substituting in the first equation, putting c is equals to 0 in the first equation, we'll get b plus 0 equals to 10. Therefore, your b is equals to 10 is the answer. Please take down. Your b is equals to 10 is the answer. So பாருங்க, so ரொம்ப important இந்த மாதிரி type of problems. Okay, we'll do one more problem. With this, we'll wind up the class. You all agree? Shall we do one more problem, please?
Yes, sir.
Right,
Yes,
ma.
sir.
With this, we'll stop I will continue the next class. Okay. So still some more problems in your linear differential equation. We left out some more problems. We'll do it in the next class. Okay. So this is also one of the very important problem. Mostly preparing for entrance examination, mainly focusing on your JE main. This question will come like that. So let y is equals to y of x be the solution of the curve of the differential equation. Let y is equals to y of x be the solution of the curve of the differential equation y square minus x into dy by dx. Dy by dx is equals to 1. Satisfying y of 0 is equals to 1. Satisfying y of 0 equals to 1. This curve intersects the x-axis. This curve intersects the x-axis. This curve intersects the x-axis at a point whose abscissa is okay. Again, I'll repeat the question. This is a multiple choice question, right? So we have a single correct answer type, not multiple choice answer. Let y is equals to y of x be the solution of the curve of the differential equation y square minus x into dy by dx equals to 1. Satisfying y of 0 equals to 1. This curve intersects the x-axis at a point whose abscissa is. What do you mean by abscissa? Always remember that. So already I teached you, but anyway, once again, the x coordinate, we can say this is a abscissa. And your y coordinate, we can say this is called ordinates. So we can say x coordinate is abscissa, which means that we are going to find out the x value. Okay. So now y equals to y of x. Can you seeing this? You can justify this linear equation in x or y. This is a linear differential equation in what, ma?
X, sir.
X, because if we have y squared here, so therefore x means we have to come. The thing should be in dx by dy, right? You can put y square minus x. Bring this dx by dy that side. This becomes dx by dy. So therefore, we can arrange in order dx by dy minus x. So you bring this dx by dy minus x becomes plus x is equals to y square. This is of the form dx by dy plus px is equals to q. Now I can say p. Simply we have x. Therefore, I can put p is equals to 1 and q is equals to y square. Yes? Any doubt, ma?
Sir, side varumbodhu minus dx by dy indana sir.
No, I'm just taking that as a that side minus x. Ella one dane. Ipdi pottalu one da, apdi pottalu. I can write dx by dy is equals to y square minus x. All same. Bring this minus x this side. We can get the same thing. Okay. So therefore, dx by dy is e plus x is equals to y square. Now integrating factor e power integral p dy, which is equals to e power simply dy. We have e power y. So therefore, the general solution is x e power integral p dy, which is equals to e power y, integral q y square integral e power y into dy. Okay, y square into e power y into dy. This is called purely a Bernoulli's form. Bernoulli's theorem, uv into u dash v. So you have to take u square as u and this as dv. Our x e power v, u into v. You keep y squared, differentiating integrating e power y, we'll get e power y. Differentiating y squared, we can 2y uv minus u1 v dash plus u2 v dash. Using that formula, Bernoulli's formula, 2y into integration of e power y again, e power y plus integration of 2y becomes 2 into e power y plus c. So we'll get y square into e power y minus 2y into e power y plus 2 into e power y plus c. But according to the problem, it was given that y of 0 is equals to 1. It is given that y of 0 equals to 1, which means that when x is equal to 0, your y is equals to 1. If you put x is equal to 0, the left hand side becomes 0. And y square becomes 1. E power 1 is e. E power 1 is 1 e. So everywhere we'll get y equal to 0. When x equal to 0, y is equals to 1. Y of 0 is equals to 1. I can write this as so 0, y squared is 1, e power 1 e minus 2e plus 2e plus constant c. 2 cancel. We have, this implies c is equals to minus e. C is equals to minus c. Therefore, the equation becomes, the solution becomes x e power y equals to y squared e power y minus 2y e power y 2 e power y minus e. Isn't it? So this is the general solution. But my question is, you find out the curve intersects the x-axis at a point whose abscissa is. When the curve intersects at x-axis, the value of y equal to 0. Then what is the value of x? That is the question. When y is equals to 0, which means the curve intersected what axis? X-axis. When it is intersected x-axis, what is the value of y? The value of y becomes 0. So you have to put y equal to 0 in the equation. We'll get in the solution, we'll get e power 0, which is equals to 1, x. I can put e power 0, this becomes 0, 0. E power 0 is 1, which is equals to 2 minus e. Therefore, the value of abscissa is, x is equals to 2 minus e. That's all. The question may arise like that. சரிங்களா? Most of the question setters வந்து டைரக்டா ஆன்சர் கிடைக்கணும்னு கொடுக்க மாட்டாங்க. Find, solve, get the solution அப்படிலாம் கொடுக்கவே மாட்டாங்க. There will be some twist in that. There will be some tricks in that. So those who are preparing for entrance examination, so எப்படி நீங்க ஸ்டேட் போர்ட் சிலபஸை ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்றீங்களோ அதே மாதிரி பண்ணக்கூடாது. You may expect the questions may be a twisted questions. The question may be a critical questions. Okay? So please take down. Purida, girls, boys, are you able to follow this? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right, ma. Okay, right. With this, we'll stop today because we are continuing the same differential equations, linear differential equations in the next class also. Since we have some more problems to work out. After that, we'll move on to some practical problems. Okay. So with this, we'll stop today. I hope you can enjoy the class today. You can understand clearly. This is very useful for your +2 examinations and also for your entrance examinations. So wish you all the best for all the examinations. Thank you very much. Once again, wish you a very happy and prosperous New Year. God bless you all. Have a bright future. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir.
Okay, ma. Right.